It's almost midnight, just arrived home from work, still sitting in the car. I got something on my mind that I really want to share with you today. I got a lot of messages and calls from many of my friends and families and some people I know about I need to be careful of some things after I started my YouTube channel. The sound, some spell mistake, or something I didn't say correct in English. Maybe my English is not the best, but who cares? My listeners, my followers, and the guys that I want to reach don't care. Everything hasn't to be perfect. It doesn't need to be perfect. I tried it also many times in business. Everything needs to be perfect. I need to micromanage everything until it's amazing. And what I figured out, when you do it, the chance for failing is so big. If you see on the biggest YouTubers in the world and the guys that make a lot of money from YouTube and other social media, most of them doesn't have a fancy camera or all these things where they spend a lot of money on each video. Actually, they take their phone like I'm doing now, making an episode, sharing my life. I'm not building my life on YouTube or other social media. I'm building the social media around my life. Does it make sense? If you are thinking something else, please let me know. You can comment below. But that's what I learned in my business career in the past 15 years, that everything doesn't have to be perfect. If the sound is not so good, now I'm using my earpods. Maybe the sound is not perfect. I'm sitting in my car. It's midnight. I'm outside my house. My wife and my little princess is sleeping. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't need to be perfect. What it needs to be, that you on the other side understanding my message and getting my message, and you are receiving it and can use it in your life. Because if you are thinking that your business or your next video or whatever you're doing needs to be fantastic and perfect before you can give it up to the world or put it out there for your clients, there's something you are missing. It doesn't need to be perfect. I hope I'm making it really clear, because I lost so much money thinking my business plan and everything I'm doing needs to be so perfect. And it took so long time. Instead of making this video right now, taking my phone out, just making the video, and it take me 10 minutes, why should I use 2 days or a whole day on a video because I said something wrong, or I don't have a script. This is coming from my heart, and it's coming from what I've tried in my life and in all my business. So please comment below if you have anything you disagree with, or something you have tried before where you also know that it doesn't need to be perfect before you can give it up or put it online or whatever it is. We are all human beings. We all do mistakes. We are not perfect. The sound doesn't need to be perfect. The edit doesn't need to be 100% perfect. Do you understand what I'm saying? And I think I'm very clear about it. Maybe you think, he doesn't speak so good English. Maybe I don't. But that's not the important here. The important is that you understand what I'm saying and getting the point, and everybody is happy, enjoy our lives and everything around, and building a successful business, a successful future for you, for your spouse, for your children, your mother, your father, family, whoever it is. That's the most important. So have a great night, and please, if you didn't subscribe to my channel and I'm giving you some value, please subscribe right now and remember to ring the bell. See you in the next episode. Bye.